Alright, what's going on everybody? Today we're finally getting the new valve covers installed. They're in the trunk. And once we get the tri-speed, I will show you guys the valve covers. I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna like, oh, wait until the end to see them. I figured if you guys see them now, you may want to stick around and watch the video, so. And then we got the bonnet lip that I just did. I think it looks way better, but I'll reserve my final judgment on it until I get it all the way in the sunlight so I can tell. It's not super bright outside yet, but looking better. Looking better, I think. It's photo worthy now. Got the 85. $24, not bad. This guy here, tri-speed. Well, I just didn't get here. Bang for a minute. Get the valve covers right here. We got new gaskets. And we got some dress-up bolts. Yeah, versus what I got now, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I don't pop my hood when I go to meets. I'm just like, bro, this shit ugly.
Okay, cool. So
it'll clean up well though?
Take
Yeah.
that off, take that off.
Yeah, the only thing, like, I was gonna do it myself. I'm just like, I don't want to fuck up the cast sensor, and I don't want to fuck up any of these like water lines and shit.
Oh yeah.
Going around the front.
I love that you have all these gritty parts that like I'm sure you can't get anymore.
I mean, you can still get the intercooler and stuff, and the suction kit. They still sell that. The only thing in my engine bay that you can get is that ARC.
Oh, ARC's super rare.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a gritty Raider in a while.
But so you bought this one in Japan, right?
Yeah.
And then Top Rate brought it in for you?
Yeah, they brought it in for me. So pretty much, I got my E85 set up now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm on E85 now. Basically, all I need to do is just turbo kit.
Awesome, dude.
I wanted to do camp at the same time, but I just couldn't get them ordered in time.
Yeah.
The wait time is just going to be too long. But with the new gaskets, you have to do the drop-in cams.
Yeah.
With that new gasket, that should be cool taking it off again, though, right?
Yeah. I use
Okay.
it all the time, man. Once you get a new set, they're good.
So I'll probably come back up here like in a month or two, and we can do the drop-in cams.
What color is this?
It's like a Nipsey blue, but
That's pearl on it, huh?
yeah, it has some pearl, has some flake. The Nipsey blue is more like a cobalt, so it's really hard to get that matched on paint. But I got as close as I could.
Looks sick.
There he is.
What's up? What's up?
Long time no see, my man.
Oh man. Oh man.
What's going on, guy?
How's it going?
Good, bro. You already know Gary pulled up. Car's looking good as always. Recognize those wheels. His car out here looking real good. I like got the bash bar on here now. That's dope. Or maybe he's always had that. I've never seen that before. And these Falcons are super meaty, bro. 295/40. They look much bigger than 295. Wow, those look good. I like this hood. Oh, it's coming together now.
This needs to turn.
Where's the other? Yeah, the other cover was like this.
Yeah, so you gotta turn it.
Yeah.
Of course.
You know what? There's probably all kinds of paint and shit in there.
I know.
Type O. Thanks for getting this thing wrapped up. Already looks better. We couldn't use the new bolts on this because it was just not lining the cast sensor up, so when I get the trigger kit, I'll throw those new bolts on there. So I went and got some Neverdol, and we're going to, or I'm going to hit up all the metal spots. So make this thing look a little bit better because the homie over here wants to get some photos. So I'm gonna just try to make the car look a little bit better, a little bit more presentable. The homie getting some pictures right now. It looks way better.
Oh yeah, night and day, man.
So much better. Now I won't be embarrassed. I mean, I still got a lot of shit to clean this engine bay, but now it's like actually at least decent.
Yeah, you can show it off now.
Yeah. This area looks so empty now with nothing there.
Oh.
So we're over here at Ferg's house, we're just kicking it, but I need to close out this vlog, but you guys can see the bay's looking better. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good, man. I'm very, very pleased how the engine bay's coming together. I mean, things just happen in your own time, and I'm very, very excited the way that this build is going. The division is slowly coming to life. The next thing is I'll be going single turbo, probably after summer, just because I want the car to be functional during the summer and stuff, and so I can go to advance, so I can go to the track, and then like once the summer's over with and all this stuff kind of cools down, I can, you know, put a new turbo in or whatever. But I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the videos, all that stuff. And I gotta show this dude the bonnet lip.
So many people are out here, dude. There's like 4 families moved out of this block.
Oh dang. It ain't perfect, but it's better than it was.
Looks a lot better than it did before.
When I was spraying, so I had like tape here, then I had more tape than I had the plastic, right? And for whatever reason, the tape fucking like came up as I was spraying, cause like a big gust of wind came into the garage. As I'm spraying like this, and all the shit came up, and I got like overspray on my hood, so I gotta get it detailed so they can get the extra clear coat off. But it's not noticeable though. You can barely tell.
I did something similar with the tape, masking tape. When
Yeah.
I was doing my headlights, I used 1 layer instead of like 2 or 3. So I was like, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
And then fucking went right through and fucking scuffed up the car in 2 places.
I was supposed to get this thing detailed, but we were having issues with the cast sensor.
What about it?
Oh, the freaking clip, like it wouldn't stay, so it kept coming out. So the car was like fucking up a little bit, but we got it to stay in. I like these valve covers, right?
Hell yeah, that's it. Like it looks proper.
Yeah.
It doesn't look
Nipsey,
like
you gotta go with the Nipsey blue, man. Like,
God.
mandatory.
Yeah, like everything has just.
Like when I get the turbo I want to have like gold little accents on the turbo.
Yeah, I bet
Get the blades like gold or some shit like that.
Yeah, what's that dude's name? He hydro dip shit. I forgot his Instagram name. But nah, he hydro dipped this dude turbo. It was painted like the Mexican flag colors, but then he dipped it in like this money sign, and then it came out. And it was like a flex, like a roll of $100 bills all around the turbo. So yeah,
Money.
that shit was fire.
Money.
I just saw this on the back of a tow truck on our way here.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, you about to be on YouTube. Getting pulled into it, me.
I like the wheels though.
Yeah, the wheels are hard,
Oh, it's just a cop going right behind me.
right? That about to be funny. Get out here and look at some cars. Do this YouTube thing. I know how it be. That car right there actually came on a trailer. Not a trailer, but it was towed in. That's hilarious. That was you last week, Jesse. Had to get away from that music, man. Jeez. Shit was hella annoying. Got some nice shit out here. Got the supers out here. Okay. I'm in the center lock conversion. Not bad. Dang. Good Lord. It's not working for me. Just tuning up tires. Those are nice though. And we got a boosted VQ. This thing is boosted. I think it's a twin turbo VQ. Not bad. It's probably pretty quick, but I mean, the way it stands is I don't know how hard you can run it. Like, for real. Like, that wouldn't be up here. That would definitely be up here. This thing is nice. I think this guy might live in San Diego. Jesus, music. It's not me, YouTube. Nice Evo. Got a nice NSX. This paint is like mint. Camera's not doing it justice. This car is like super freaking clean. Super clean. Got the Ford Scarman milk on there. You see that? Probably one of my favorite cars here. NSX. I hear somebody. Ferg has arrived. Y'all probably can hear his car from here. The boy finally made it. Hey, what's up, dog?
I called you like 13 times. You don't answer your phone?
I was recording, bro.
Bro,
Hey, just park next to me.
Park next to me.
Yeah.
That's even ghetto, you know?
Alright, so about to get some pizza, I guess. If you know, then you know. I know this car finna be hot. This car finna be hot. What's up, girl? Make sure you tag me. Alright, that's gonna wrap this video up. It was a cool little vibe again. I had fun with Gary and Ferg and all the people. Iori, thank you for coming out to the meet. You're still gonna get gapped though. If you haven't followed me on IG yet, make sure you go do that. And also, if you live in San Diego, LA, if you see me on the road, make sure you guys tag me and I'll repost that to my story. But other than that, I don't have anything else really. Just make sure you guys continue to like the videos, comment and share. Let's get this channel going. I mean, it's already going, but let's let it grow. You know what I'm saying? And that's all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.